Hi, I'm Zach. Thank you for scheduling your appointment with us today at Van Martin Roofing. Today I'm going to walk you through how our inspection process looks like. So what we do when we first get here, we're going to knock on the door, get to sit down with you guys, have a quick conversation of how long you own the home for, age of the roof, get to know you guys, right? You get to know me, I'll get to know you. And from there, kind of know why you had us out here and how we can help you. So once that we've gotten to know you and know that what you've been experiencing, I'll set the ladder up and show you what we're looking for. Want to check the drip edge, see how many layers you got going underneath. See if you have ice and water membrane too as well. It's the code in the state of Ohio. And from there, I can actually get up. So the number one thing to look at is flashing. That is the most common areas to leak for a roof. It's for any roof to wall transition because there's a gap in between here. Look at this. See all these exposed nails? It's exactly where water can get in. Anytime you see any exposed nails on flashings, that's an area of concern. All right. Also, want to check for any moss and algae growth going on there. It's also showing the age of the shingle. All right. And then next, I'm gonna check for delamination. Any loose shingles. Look at this right here. This shingle is just, for whatever reason, it's just cut. Definitely not the best. And also, see if they're sealed down correctly. See if I can lift this up with my finger. Imagine a light wind and rain-driven wind getting underneath. Not only that, during the wintertime, snow's gonna sit on your roof. You're gonna heat your home up. It's gonna melt, and then all that cold wind is gonna refreeze, getting back up under your roofing system. And the number one thing to look for too as well is granule loss. There's a purpose that you have granules on your shingles. It's an asphalt-based product. That's why we have potholes in Cincinnati, Dayton, and Columbus. That sun is gonna hit that asphalt, make it real brittle, or it's just gonna start to snap off. Those granules are the only protection from the UV rays hitting the asphalt. There's actually a lot of granules on this thing, so pretty good. Now that we've done your exterior inspection, we want to get up in your attic. That is really important to see what the condition of the wood is. All right, looking for any cat eyes, any dark moisture spots going on, if any of the wood's delaminating too as well. Come on, let's go take a look. All right, now that we've done the inspection outside, we're gonna come in and do the attic inspection. Now, not a lot of people know where their attic is. Typically can be up in the hallway. It could be a push through where you push a little hatch up. It's a little square or rectangle shape. It could be a pull down. If it's pull down, we don't need our ladder. Or it could be one that's in your closet and it has stairs to go up to those. Those are really nice. It makes my job a lot easier. Let's go check it out. And don't worry, we bring these bright flashlights too as well, so you don't have to worry about providing one. So first thing I want to look at, you know, I said flashings are the most common areas for leaking. Look at this chimney right here. See how dark it is? Actually a board missing, snapped. From there, I also want to check an insulation. So this is like a blown in type of insulation. So it's real light and fluffy. Water's gonna hit it and it's gonna create an indentation. Show me exactly if it's hitting your insulation. You can actually see it a lot better over here. So if you notice that from the chimney, look at that. See how dark that is around there in the insulation and all those indentations. Looking for broken boards. You want a really good nailable surface when you do a roof. So you have the nail can hold on to something too as well. This is really crucial for our job. It's kind of like taking your car to a mechanic and actually lifting the hood up of the car. Now that we're done inspecting your attic, I'm gonna get my tablet and all our product, sit down at the dinner table or whatever you feel comfortable at. We'll look at Company Cam. It's the app that I use to take photos during an inspection. I'll go over it with you in detail, let you know any concerns that I've found. We're huge on educating, so just ask questions once you feel comfortable in this process. And from there, I can show you what we offer and give you a solution. Thank you for having us come out and inspect your roof. Thank you for taking the time also to watch this video. We hope you feel more informed during the roof inspection process. We look forward to coming and seeing you.